Hi there and welcome to section 7, optimizing key pages for higher conversions. So day 23, optimize your homepage. Now this is essential that you do this. So the importance of your homepage. Well, homepages are often the most seen page on a site. Many people will directly arrive on this, or they will click to it from another page on your site to check out more about where they've landed, if they've landed via SEO onto a product page, for example. And many people will unfortunately judge your whole website within 5 seconds simply by looking at your homepage. So it's vital that you improve its engagement. This very high visibility means your homepage is one of the most impactful pages to do CRO on, giving strong downstream impact on your conversions. In particular, your homepage need to act as a visitor springboard and give clear options, which call to actions, to get them closer to solving their needs. Your homepage should quickly engage and deliver your unique value proposition too. Also, if your homepage doesn't imply professionalism and trust, this immediately puts your conversion efforts at a disadvantage. So first of all, you need to check your homepage performance. And then this is really essential because that you do this in your web analytics tool to see how well it's performing and to aid test ideas. This will also help you benchmark and monitor your homepage CRO efforts. Here's some key things you need to check for your homepage. First of all, you need to check your bounce rate, and this indicates how many people are being engaged and stick around on your homepage. Higher percentage is worse. Ideally, this should be under 40%. 50 to 60 is about average, but depends on what type of website you have. Top next pages and click map. So it's key to know what visitors most often do on your homepage. Check your homepage, the top next pages, and in-page click map. And look to see if you notice anything strange that they're clicking on or where they're going. Well, ideally, you want them to be clicking on things that are relating to your main website goals and their main use cases. So look for some insights and test ideas if anything looks a bit strange. So homework here is to check these metrics in your analytics tool and write the findings down, and then you'll refer back to these in the future to check your CRO efforts on your homepage. So homepage best practices. You need to clearly show your unique value proposition. It's vital to quickly show your visitors reasons to use your website instead of competitors' sites, and you need to show this above the page fold on your homepage, as we discussed in day 10. You need to use a strong, engaging headline and images. If you don't capture your visitors' attention with a great headline and imagery on your homepage, visitors will bounce more often. And we've discussed headlines and images in previous sections, so refer back to those if you need some more help with that again. So remove much of your clutter and focus on the key needs of your visitors, the key use cases. So this is because clutter on homepage is a real conversion killer. You need to test removing non-important content that doesn't help solve key use cases of your visitors or that really increases conversions. So spend some time doing that. Be careful of how you use image sliders. Now, homepage image sliders have got very common and are the subject of much controversy. Some people like them, but many don't. And this is because they're going to have a negative impact, and particularly if the content in them is not really that good, or it moves too fast, or if you have like 10 slides in there. And this is because people say it's too distracting. So you should always test using an image slider against a single image that has a really strong value proposition, benefits in it, and a call to action button on it. It's very important to test. You should always have 1 or 2 strong call to action buttons on your homepage. You should always show these above the page fold to entice visitors to take the next step in their decision-making process. Think of that springboard analogy that I just mentioned. So this would be, to learn more or get a demo of whatever it is that you're featuring on your homepage. So now I'm going to walk you through some best practice websites for high converting homepages. Hi there. Okay, now I'm going to walk you through some best practice websites for homepages. And now this is really important because your homepage is often going to be one of your most important pages for many reasons. First of all, your homepage is going to be one of your main entry pages. Most of your visitors are often going to be arriving on your homepage. Secondly, your homepage is obviously often going to be judged very quickly for your whole website. So people will take a look at your homepage within a few seconds and judge what the whole of your website is going to be like and whether to stay or leave. Therefore, it's important to optimize this so that it engages visitors really quickly and gives them enough information and looks good enough for them to make a decision of whether to stay or go back to Google. Okay, so it's really important to test many different things on your homepage. Hopefully you have enough traffic to test. If you don't, you'll need to buy some more traffic or think of some other ways to test, which will be covered. But it's really important that you spend some good time optimizing different elements of your homepage. I'm going to walk you through some best practice examples now. Okay, so first of all is Unbounce, and this is a really good website homepage for many reasons. First of all, it's got a great headline, a great call to action button that's high up, explains the process in 3 simple steps: build the page, publish it, and test and optimize. It has some fantastic social proof here of different companies that are using it. The logos really help build social proof. It's a testimonial. Build landing pages in hours, not weeks. There's a screenshot of the tool in action. It scrolls further down, different styles of templates that you can scroll through, and explains that it works with many different other tools. It just gives you really great information that you need to make a decision, and then it ends with a really good call to action there. Get started with a 30-day trial of Unbounce. Gives you all you need to know to make a decision. Fantastic homepage. Next is Good Financial Sense. I'm going to get rid of this pop-up. One thing you shouldn't do is immediately pop up an ad or any kind of opt-in as soon as someone arrives. You can do an exit intent when they go to leave, but don't pop up a thing like this as soon as someone arrives. It's just going to annoy them. So apart from that, this is actually a very good homepage. So this is goodfinancialsense.com. There's a really good strong headline here. Financial freedom is not a myth. I will show you how to get it the right way. There's an opt-in here. I'm in. Nice language. As featured on. This is great for social proof, and this is really good. It helps people decide which path they want to go down, which of these most suits them. So it depends on where you are, which one best describes you. This is excellent here. Self-selection, just out of college, starting a family, growing kids, nearing retirement. So this will get the person down the right path that's going to most interest them, and this is going to engage them quickest and get them onto the right relevant path that's going to increase the chances of them engaging. So this is excellent. This is the best part of the whole website. Then the rest of it, another call to action there, shows you most popular articles. And this is actually mainly a blog based. It shows you what you can do for a homepage for a blog. And then about Jeff, this helps build value proposition and expertise. And again, another call to action, maybe perhaps too many, but it's certainly okay. Then there's some latest articles from the blog, and a good footer. So really good homepage, in particular this self-selection area here that I mentioned. Okay, next is Popup domination. Now this is a fantastic, because a really good headline based on exactly what's going to happen when you use this. In this case, grow your email list by 524% using the world's leading email capture software. Really powerful headline with a good subheader, a really good strong call to action button here. And then I really like this, how they've got a screenshot of it with arrows pointing to different aspects of it and what makes it so good. Really like this style, very casual. Nice counter to display how many people are using Popup domination. Good social proof number usage. I really like that. It makes people think, oh, okay, this must be one of the best. More subscribers equals more sales. Equals that. Another strong call to action. Good detailed testimonial. And this just gives you perhaps too much information, but this gives you all you would need to make a decision over whether you would want to use this or not, including experts that also use this service. Many famous people there, and it even includes payments. I probably wouldn't different payment options. I probably wouldn't include this on the homepage. I would probably split this down into it, but it's got some really good elements of a homepage though. Next is rocketlawyer.com. This is, I really like this because it's nice and simple, clear navigation options with a prominent search option here, legal made simple. But this is the thing I really like about this page. Again, it lets you choose which path you want to choose. So whether you want to create legal documents, whether you want to ask a lawyer a question, and it helps you incorporate. So this will tell you what you can do on this website and help you choose that. Then there's some great imagery here, like legal documents you can trust. So it tells you what you can do. Your first document is free. Search out documents. You can get your answers here. So all the different types of things you can do on this site. and some testimonials here, and a strong call to action there. So an excellent homepage. I would like that. Next is the Carnival homepage, and this is for Carnival Cruises. This is a good example of what you can do with a very corporate branded website here. The navigation is excellent. It's based on the key things that people are going to likely want to achieve on the website. The use cases, really important. So why Carnival? What's it like? Where can I go? Explore, plan. But then a lot of this is repeated below here. There is a image slider here, but it's very slow, so it's not too distracting. So there's many conflicting opinions of homepage sliders. My opinion is always test it, but never make it go too fast. So this one is okay. There's different things for you to click on here to get you deeper into the site regarding different promotions, and then frequently asked questions. So nice and simple, really good navigation. Schwans is an example of a website that has another good homepage here. This has very high conversion rates. What I particularly like about this is the unique value proposition statement right here, clear and centered. It explains exactly what you're going to be able to do on here and why you should do it here rather than somewhere else. So welcome to Schwan's Home Service. Delicious food delivered right to your door. Order online anytime, 100% quality guaranteed. Choices for anyone, no contracts or minimums. Learn more. Explains in a nutshell exactly what it is that you can do on this website. Some good imagery there supporting the home service aspect. Find delivery options in your area if you immediately want to see whether it works in your area, or you can search for different products. There's many different things, even for different diets. Just fantastic options that are going to meet the main needs of their visitors. But again, this is an excellent thing here. You should try adding to your homepage unique value proposition messaging, nice and clear. Next is AO.com. This is a online e-commerce website, and they actually have a very good homepage, which many e-commerce sites unfortunately don't. They have a very short content slide here. There's only 2 things in it, which is good. I see many that have 8 things in it that fly by, which are really distracting. These explain some of the key promotions they have, and then there's 4 main things here. The most important things they're trying to communicate. So free next day delivery, this is unique value proposition stuff. 20 pounds back, this is unique value proposition stuff. And this is social media numbers there that's helping build social proof. 1.5 million people recommend on Facebook. That's huge numbers. That's really going to help people understand these guys are the best. And then there's risk reducers in the headline here. They explain the key things that will make you want to use them, including some of the value proposition stuff like free next day delivery and 14-day returns. Clear search, and then we have the nice imagery of the major categories that they sell. You can even shop by brand. What makes us different? So anyway, just an excellent example of an e-commerce website homepage. Okay, and then lastly we have Unleash Your Thin. This is a completely different kind of informational product style homepage that I wanted to show you. This has some really good wording and really good navigation options in here, so you can clearly get enough information on here before making a decision. So you got how it works, the research, what experts say, blah blah blah. Some good up there, some nice imagery, nicely styled. There's a kind of an cartoony imagery of Dr. Johnny Bowden. And then this, I really like this aspect in here, so they don't actually have to go on to other pages to learn more about you. It just gives you all the information you need right in here. So the program review, how it works, meet Dr. Johnny. There's some great social proof logos on here, as seen on News on More about Dr. Johnny, what experts are saying, great testimonials, trusted, safe and secure. So this is you don't need to actually scroll any further down to make a decision here about using Unleash Your Thin, because it's all contained right here. So this is, I really like this as a kind of radical thing you might want to test on your homepage. Okay, so there's 8 different examples of homepages that you should try learning from, and as I said, test and figure out exactly what your users want on your homepage and give them the key things that they need to get off your homepage and into the area that most interests them. Okay, thanks.